This 2022 Coachmen Adrenaline 27 kilobytes is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 32 feet 11 inches in length and features sleep 6, oven, air conditioning, awning, microwave, LP detector, smoke detector, refrigerator, TV, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Coachmen Adrenaline 27 kilobytes is 7,262 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.